which your finance team and your regular business heads face is about paying invoices from vendors or paying bills from different vendors, right? And this takes a lot of time, so many approvals, and that too someone has to handle that invoice right from when they receive a PDF, a physical copy, enter into a system, get approval email, so many mail exchanges happen, and you even lost track of that whole conversation. Now, that can be get rid of. We have built a complete invoicing automation where it runs into your secured environment using Microsoft Power Apps and Microsoft Power Automate. And how this works, you can see on my screen, I got total 3 invoices. They can come from anywhere. They can come from an email. It can be fetched based on the particular keywords, details attached, the invoice attached to the particular email, or it can also be uploaded by vendor on a particular platform, right? Second thing is, as soon as the invoice gets in, it run through this kind of Power Automate workflow where it goes predict the whole invoice part. See here, the AI is being implemented like this. Then we have HTML table to be structured. Item is being created inside SharePoint. And along with this, it also sent an approval message on Teams to the right person as well as to the um, right department into accounting or finance or somewhere. And then it waits whether it is approved, rejected, and so on. And all tracking are available on this kind of a platform where you see 3 invoices of this value, each of their status. Someone was approved, rejected, and a new invoice is available over here. Now, as soon as finance team or the respective department is going to approve, that can be run through the finance for the payments part. Now, this is a very generic, very basic, simple automation workflow, but we can obviously make multiple conditions, multiple approvers can be added, and all of these information, all of these data is being extracted by AI and automation. There is no manual intervention at all. So this kind of a system can save a lot time, make your entire process so much efficient, and you can give right people the correct accesses, and the entire process can run very smooth. So currently, it's just a kind of demonstration, but we can build this AI power invoice processing system for your company, for your business, and to save a lot of time, effort, and money. So stay tuned for these kind of automations. So we are a Microsoft Power Automate and the Microsoft Power Apps expert. And in case if you have any such tools requirement, any such basic flow has to be built, let us know. We are going to help you with that. Thank you very much. Have a good day.